Create flashcards to review key terms, definitions, and concepts. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques to reduce anxiety and improve concentration. Find effective study methods that align with your learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. Take regular breaks for physical movement, stretching, or short walks to refresh your mind. Stay organized by using planners, calendars, or digital tools to track assignments, deadlines, and study schedules. Use repetition and spaced repetition techniques to reinforce learning over time. Teach someone else the material you're studying to enhance your understanding and retention. Practice time-bound mock tests to simulate exam conditions and improve time management skills. Stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet to support brain function and focus. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications on your phone or using website blockers during study sessions. Review and reflect on your progress regularly to identify areas for improvement. Stay motivated by rewarding yourself after completing study milestones or achieving goals. Use positive affirmations and visualization techniques to boost confidence and overcome self-doubt. Review and revise previous material to reinforce knowledge and make connections between different topics. Practice good self-care habits like getting regular exercise, eating nutritious meals, and getting enough sleep. Believe in yourself and maintain a positive mindset. Remember that you are capable of achieving academic success. Remember, everyone's study habits and techniques may vary, so feel free to adapt and personalize these tips to suit your individual needs and learning style. Good luck with your studies. Welcome to our comprehensive video featuring the top 40 study tips and tricks that will revolutionize your approach to learning and help you achieve academic success. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, pursuing higher education, or simply seeking to enhance your knowledge, these proven strategies are a must-watch. Here are my top 40 study tips and tricks for academic success. Create a dedicated study space that is comfortable, well-lit, and free from distractions. Set specific and achievable goals for each study session. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Prioritize your study material based on importance and difficulty. Use active learning techniques such as summarizing, explaining concepts to others, and teaching them. Practice regular self-testing to reinforce your understanding and memory. Take breaks during study sessions to prevent mental fatigue and maintain focus. Use visual aids like diagrams, charts, and mind maps to enhance comprehension and recall. Develop a consistent study routine to establish a habit and optimize learning. Find your optimal learning time and schedule your most challenging tasks during that period. Utilize mnemonic devices and memory techniques to remember complex information. Form or join study groups to engage in discussions, share insights, and learn from peers. Take advantage of technology resources such as educational apps, online tutorials, and digital flashcards. Practice active reading by highlighting, underlining, and taking notes while reading. Use effective note-taking methods like the Cornell method or concept mapping. Review and revise your notes regularly to reinforce learning and solidify understanding. Seek clarification by asking questions or seeking help from professors, tutors, or classmates. Use past exams and practice questions to familiarize yourself with the format and assess your knowledge. Engage in regular physical exercise to improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Get sufficient sleep to support memory consolidation and cognitive function. Break down complex concepts into simpler terms and relate them to real-life examples. Use online resources such as video tutorials, educational websites, and academic journals for in-depth understanding. Practice time management by setting deadlines for tasks and avoiding procrastination. Avoid multitasking and focus on one subject or topic at a time for better concentration.